Hey everybody, this is Linda with Copperhead Collectibles. In this video, we're going to open a new box of pennies. Just got back from the bank. I'm excited to see what's in here. Hoping for some oldies so we can find maybe some 1943s or whatever we can find. I'll be excited, so let's crack it open. Okay guys, let's crack this open, see what we got. I'm excited. This one came from Brinks in LA. So, we like that. Hopefully this will have some oldies in it, not some new coins, because I do not need any more new coins. I've already got enough. Alright, here we go. Oh no, they're all laying on their sides. I'll just grab some and open it and see what we got. Oh, these are not old or new coins. Yay! Alright, folks. We've got some old coins. Excellent. They're not new ones. So, here's a newest looking one. But yeah, these are not 2020 coins. So, I am thrilled. This one right here looks old. That's a 50 something. I can see it. I think that says 50 at least. Alright, folks, let's crack some of these open. I'm excited. Look at that box. Alright folks, well, I have found in my very first roll a wheat penny. Opened up my first one and this is what we found. So it is a 1957D. Pretty happy about that. So we are off to a good start. So found a couple 159 and a couple of 64s. But the wheat penny, the 57, is our oldest so far. But that was a good find. And we'll keep looking. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I have found a 1941 penny. I don't think this is a very good one, not a very good condition, but it is a wheat penny, and it is a 1941. I can see that plain as day on there. I don't know if you can. Hopefully you guys can see it as well as I can. But it is a 1941. I'll have to put it under my big magnifier. I only have my glasses on right at the moment. But I will look later under my magnifier and see what the mint mark is. But it's a good one. So we're off to two 40 pennies, or 57 and a 41, and we'll see what else we've got. So okay guys, I'm excited. This one's a lot better condition. It is a 1944. I don't know if you can see that. I'm hoping there you go. 1944 wheat penny. It's much better condition than the other one that I found, but it is a 44. So we are, and that was the same roll. So we've got two wheat pennies in the one roll, and we've got lots of coins still to go here. So we will hopefully find some more, and we'll be back. Okay, guys, I have found a really good one, a 45S, 1945S, which is a really good one to find. I will be putting that one in my keepers. I have a 44, and it kind of looks like a possible S over D on this, but I really can't tell right now. Nope, sorry, this is the other one. This is the 41 that I found, or 44, I'm sorry, 44. This 41 here has some kind of mintage thing, and if it's a S over D, but it might be just a D or just an S, but it's really hard to tell, so I'm going to be researching the heck out of that one. So, but it's in really bad condition, so it's not going to be worth much. But this one's a pretty good one. A 45S is exciting to find. So, wheat pennies. So we're off to a good start. We're on the 5th roll, and we found 3 wheat pennies already. So we're off to a really good start as far as I'm concerned. And we will keep looking. We'll be back. Okay, guys, I have found another good one. I have found a 1973S. It is not a wheat penny, but it is an S penny. So we will definitely put this in our keeper and keep on looking, because this is in the same 5th roll as the last penny, the wheat penny. So we are doing good, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm excited. I just got done showing you the 73S, and now I just found a 71S. So that's my year, so I'm happy with that. So we'll be keeping that one too, but we've got a couple S's here, which is some, I don't find the quarters and S's and stuff very often, so it's really nice to find. I already found 2 S's in the 70s series, so loving it. So we'll be back. Alright folks, well, I found another wheat penny. It is a 1956D. It's in pretty good condition, not bad. Doesn't have, but the back here on the one, the O and the 1 is a little rusted out, but it's still in a pretty good condition. for being as old as it is, and we'll put it away and put it in our Wheat Penny collection, and we'll see you soon, because this is roll number 9, so we're moving along pretty good. All right, guys, I found another one, a 1957 Wheat Penny. Pretty good one, nice condition, not bad. So we'll put this one away and keep it for future. And my Wheat Penny collection, not bad though, as you can see. Pretty good. It's a 57D. So we've got some pretty good ones so far. We've got 5 Wheat Pennies and 2 S Pennies. So we're moving along. And we're on starting our 10th roll right now. So, or I'm sorry, our 11th roll right now. So stay tuned. Okay, folks, look what I found. A 1969 S in the same roll as the other S's. So I have not even got through this the 10th roll in my box, and I have found another S. So I am pretty happy with this. It's not a Wheat Penny, but it's in my bro's year, so he'll be getting this coin. And I always collect all the 69s for him. And this is an S. So pleased with that. We'll put it down here with the 71 and a 69. So I'm pretty happy. We both got our S's there. So it's a good find so far. So anyways, I will be back here in a few minutes. Okay, guys, I found another Wheat Penny. I only have down to my last few pennies on this roll, the 10th roll again. And it's a 1944, no mint mark, Wheat Penny. So this one's a good find. It's in pretty good condition, so I'm pretty happy with this. We will put it in our collection. All right, guys, I'm excited to tell you I found a 68S, and it's in really good condition. It's got a lot of shine to it still. So we'll be holding on to this, adding it to our collection, and it's a really nice one. It's not perfect condition on the back, a little staining there, but still has a lot of shine where the stain isn't. So I will put this one in my book. And it's a good addition, so stay tuned for some more. This is actually my 13th roll, so moving on. I still have more than half the roll still to. This is like the 5th coin I opened of the 13th roll, so stay tuned for some more. Hey guys, I found another good one here. This is a 1942 S. It's hard for me to get it focused though. There we go, 1942. And then the S is hard for me to get focused, but it is an S. Let me bring it up to the camera more. Maybe it'll focus itself. There you go. Yep, see that? You can see the S a little better, but it's a 1942 S Wheat Penny. Really happy to find this. And we'll put this in definitely in our collection here. And we're moving along pretty good. We are in the 17th roll right now. I just opened it, so we've gone through, majority of it. This is how much I have left to go through that roll, and we'll move on to the next, and I'll let you know what I find. Okay, guys, I have finally opened this box and opened up all the rolls. I didn't want to do them individually because I was getting too many, so I wanted to just go ahead and open it all up and get them all organized and see what we find. So I have found lots of S's. I have a 1941 S, 1942 S. I have 3 44 S, or no, actually these are just 44s, not S's. But a 45S and a 46S. Got lots of them. These are all Wheat Pennies, I might add that as well. These are all my Wheat Pennies, all my 40s and my 50s. So this is a 53, a 56, 256, 257s, and 258s. And these are all Ds, except for the 53, which is an S. So pretty happy to find all of those. They're not in the best conditions, but we'll put them in my books and hold on to them for my grandsons. And then we've got all of these here, all of our 60s. These are all S's, 68s, 69s. I got 5 69s there. Those are all S's, 70 S's, 3 71 S's, 72 S's, 73 S's, and a 74S. So we got lots of S's in this one box. I mean, it's really quite interesting how many I found. I love that. We will put these definitely in our books. And then we've got the 2009 series. This one's so brilliant. The light is really gleaming off of it. It's so pretty. It's one of my best coins I found in the box. And let me get that in focus. There you go. 2009. It's not perfect condition, but it's really nice compared to the other ones. Oops, sorry. And we'll definitely be putting that in the book. And so we've got, this one's called Birth and Early Childhood, is known for this one. And they came out in 2009 with a 4-set series. And then you've got this one here, and it's the Professional Life, commemorative of the professional life. Cool. I've got, I think, 4 of these? 5 of those, I'm sorry, 5 of those. And then we've got the formative years. I've got 2 of those. And I've got 1 of these, and it's a presidency coin. So they're all pretty cool. And then I've got here, I got this really nice 1990. The color of it's really brilliant. It's hard to see on here. It's kind of coming off yellowish because it's my lighting, sorry. And 1 Canadian coin. And these are all of my toned coins. These are all different tones, front and back on some. Some of them are really red and some are yellowed. Some really great ones. So we're going to hold on to those. And then we also found some 60s. So these are all my 60s. I found one of every year, 60 all the way through 69. These are all Ds and Ps. So we'll hold on to those. And then we've got a little bit of 50s here. What do I do with those? So they're there. I've got 3 50s. I got 57, 58, and a 59 pile. 4 or 5 of the 59s. But pretty happy with that, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I will open up some more. I've got some dollars I'm going to do on my next video, so you guys have a good day. This is Linda with Copperhead Collectibles. If you like my videos, please hit that like button and subscribe if you would like to see some more, and you guys have a good day.